Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make sesame ginger tea. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a saucepan. Into this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. When the water comes to a boil, add a teaspoon of sesame seeds. You can go with either black or white sesame seeds. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Sesame seeds has a lot of health benefits. It's an excellent source of fiber, vitamin B, and antioxidants known to boost immune system and prevent conditions like cancer, lowers blood pressure, support healthy bone, reduce inflammation, support thyroid health and cholesterol. It's an excellent source of plant protein, very helpful for weight loss and improves your digestion. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this, add a piece of crushed ginger. Let this again boil for 2 more minutes. Ginger is again a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fight against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart health. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredient in this tea today. If you want, you can add half teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this sesame ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger and the sesame seeds have come together very well. Now off the flame and add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, strain the sesame ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity, so do try this sesame ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.